Have you ever wondered why birds fly in a V formation? It kind of looks like some sort of social hierarchy, but the actual reason for this is much more strategic. You see, the bird in the front of the formation has to work the hardest by cutting through the wind resistance. As it flaps its wings, it creates an upward current, and the rest of the birds in the formation ride this current, making it much easier for them to fly long distances. Now, each bird actually takes a turn at the front of the formation. This conserves energy and ensures that every bird does their part.